Asylum Research's new Ergo software has made it easier than ever to measure high-resolution, high-sensitivity electrical data. Available on both Jupiter XR and Cypher AFMs, Ergo now features scanning capacitance microscopy (SCM) and conductive AFM. These modes are ideal for analyzing semiconductor devices, 2D materials, and advanced energy materials. SCM maps electric charge carriers, carrier types, and dopant levels. Our next-generation SCM module offers new capabilities and better performance than previous generation designs. It can measure not only the differential capacitance, DC, DV, but also a signal directly proportional to capacitance. This channel provides a more complete materials characterization and simplified data interpretation, as shown on this dopant staircase reference sample where we see that the capacitance scales linearly with dopant concentrations. The ultra-high sensitivity SCM module enables not only capacitance resolution down to 1 attofarad, but also enables probing of metals, insulators, and nonlinear materials outside the class of traditional semiconductor devices. Observe this carbon nanotube on an insulating substrate, demonstrating lateral resolution of 25 nanometers, data that would not be possible with conventional SCM. The high bandwidth of the SCM module enables you to image up to 50 times faster than conventional SCM. Improve your throughput and analyze more samples in less time. Watch how Jupiter images this SRAM sample at 26 lines per second, compared to conventional SCM, which often operates at less than 1 line per second. The Asylum Research Conductive AFM module is used to measure current in microelectronic devices, inspect dielectric films, characterize 2D materials, and optimize energy materials. Setup for the mode is quick and easy. Modules are available over a wide range, spanning sub-picoamp to microamp currents. Asylum's exclusive dual-gain conductive AFM can measure current over 2 adjacent ranges, offering far better sensitivity at low currents compared to conventional logarithmic amplifiers. Here, note how we achieve both picoamp sensitivity and nanometer scale resolution on this 2D material. Ergo software makes operating SCM or conductive AFM a breeze. Watch how easy it is to use SCM on Jupiter. First, load your probe and sample. Ergo will tune the SCM module for optimal performance with a single click. Next, aligning the detection laser is as easy as marking the tip. Then, identify a region of interest on your sample using the high-resolution optics. You are now ready to scan. It's that simple. Autopilot, a unique feature of Ergo, automatically sets imaging parameters for great images. All users can get high-quality results, whether they are experts or beginners. Autopilot goes beyond just topography, simplifying all imaging modes in Ergo. Find out how much more you can learn about your samples with SCM and conductive imaging on Asylum AFMs. You will be surprised how easy it is to get electrical data at higher resolution and unmatched sensitivity with Ergo. Contact us today to see for yourself.